Let's continue with our activities. Now we're on page 59. On page 59 we have a reading number 1. Okay, the reading is about what's your plan. But before doing this activity it says, look at the picture. What do you think these people's career plans might be? Read the interviews and write the interviewer's name under each picture. So what you have to do here is to write the name of these three girls, no? But how what? Reading this article. What's your plan? We are three teenagers finishing high school, so those teenagers are like you, okay? In the US, about their future career plans. Here's what they had to say. We have Daniel, Yvonne, and Ingrid. So, who is Daniel? Who's Yvonne? And who is Ingrid? What you have to do is to read. So let's listen to the audio. Okay, pay attention.
Unit 4, Track 38, Activity 3.
What's your plan? We asked 3 teenagers finishing high school in the US about their future career plans. Here's what they had to say. Danielle.
To be honest, I'd originally planned to go straight to college after high school to study to be a dentist. But lately, I've been thinking about it and I'm not so sure anymore. My parents have been pushing me since I was a child to become a dentist or a doctor, but really, I'm more passionate about art. If you saw my room, you would know that I've been painting a lot recently. I would love to travel around Europe for a while if I could, seeing amazing art and architecture. My parents wouldn't approve at all though, so I need to give it some more thought. I guess I don't really have much of a plan at the moment.
Yvonne.
I know exactly what I'm going to be doing over the next 8 years. I've been planning it all for years. My friends make fun of me, but I just think I'm very motivated and have clear goals. First, I will be attending the computer engineering program at Carnegie Mellon University. My sister has been studying there for 2 years and says it's amazing. Once I've completed my bachelor's and my master's, I will find an internship at a tech company in either New York or San Francisco. Then, after that, I might even have time to relax before I start my next job.
Ingrid.
I was never very strong academically, so I can't see myself spending any more time in classrooms if I can help it. I have always been good at sports though, and I think I'm very physically fit. Not good enough to try to be a professional athlete or anything like that, but I was thinking I might become a personal trainer instead. After all, I've been working out since I was young, so I'm sure I could help people achieve their own fitness goals. Plus, I'd like to start earning money right away. My mom's been supporting me all her life, so I'd like to help out with more of the bills if I can.
Okay, class. According to this reading, who is Daniel, Yvonne, or Ingrid? So you're going to show me your answers in class, okay? So if you need extra time with the listening, you can play. You can look for the part of the listening and listen once again, or you can read. That is much better. Let's continue. Read the text again. Decide who each statement is referring to: Daniel, D, Yvonne, Y, or Ingrid, I. For example, here I have, let me see, wow, A, B, C, D, E, F. No? F different sentences, and you tell me which one is for each person. For example, letter A. This interview is last decided about their future. This interview is sure of her own strengths and weaknesses. This interview is motivated by financial goals. This interview is following in the footsteps of a family member. This interview might postpone going to college. This interview has plans to complete multiple degrees. So what do you have to do at the same time? The idea is to read the activity and try to answer. No, remember, D for Daniel. So which of those sentences are for Daniel? Which of those sentences are for Yvonne? And which ones are for Ingrid? Now here says, answer the questions. What is Daniel's passion and what are her parents' plans for her? So this answer is here, okay? Why do Yvonne's friends make fun of her? Also the answer is here in the part of Yvonne. What is Yvonne's plan after completing her college studies? No, it's here. Once I've completed my bachelor and my master's, I will. D. Why does Ingrid want to go to college? Ingrid. And why is Ingrid studied to be in a personal trainer? Once again, the answers are here. And in our classes, you are going to surprise me. Okay? The idea is to check the videos in order to get ready for the class. Thank you so much. See you in a different video.